Alright, hello everybody. Okay, today we're going to be reviewing this little guy. It's small, it's got a small form factor, but it packs a powerful punch, and it's something everybody who works on a laptop or travels, works from home, it's something everybody needs. It's called the Anker PowerExpand 13-in-1 Docking Station, and it's a USB-C. It's the USB-C model, the PowerExpand. They have another model that's for Mac users, because it has, instead of USB-C ports, it has Thunderbolt 3 ports, and I'll get into that in a second. So let's just talk about this little guy. So this is a USB-C docking station, a laptop docking station, and so like I said, there's a Thunderbolt version for Mac users, but you can use this one on Mac because the USB-C ports and Thunderbolt ports are cross-compatible, so you can use them on both. However, there is the Thunderbolt does have a slight speed advantage. So if you're a Mac user, I recommend that you would go with the Anker PowerExpand Elite Thunderbolt 3 docking station instead, because like I said, it has the Thunderbolt 3 ports. They're going to deliver more speed than these USB-C ports. However, if you have this and you have a Mac, you're still in good shape. This still will work just fine. I got this version, the USB-C version, because I have a PC that I wanted to use this for. I have Macs, I have MacBooks, and Mac products too, but I got this for my laptop. The Anker PowerExpand Elite Thunderbolt 3 docking station, the one for Mac, that one's a little bit more expensive. Okay, so let's get into this. So this has an 85 watt charging station. So if you have a USB-C port, you just plug this into the wall through the power connector, and then you plug this USB-C port with a cord that comes with it into your laptop. So the big advantage of this thing is you plug all your devices into this, and then you just plug one cord into your laptop. You just USB-C to USB-C port in your laptop. That's it. So you can plug that in when you get back home, unplug it when you leave. You don't have to do it. You don't have to mess with any wires. And what's awesome is that you can plug everything in here. So it's got 1 gigabit per second Ethernet port. It's got 2 HDMI ports that are capable of 4K. It's got a DisplayPort, so you could have 3 external monitors if you wanted. It's got 2 USB ports. It's got a audio in and out port, so you can do set up microphone or your headphones. So again, very easy. You just plug this one port into the USB-C into your laptop, and you're good to go. Your headphones and everything are already connected. It's got a microSD and SD ports, so you can plug in your SD cards and your memory cards from your cameras for quick use. It's got a this is the high-speed charging port for your phones. I'm trying to think of what it's called. It's the USB-C power delivery port. It supports up to 18 watts fast charging for phones. So you can actually have your laptop charging and plug in your phone and charge in about an hour and a half from dead battery to full on iPhones and Samsungs and pretty much any other newer phone, which is huge. Fast charging is we're big fans of the fast charging features. Anker, I believe, does really well with their charging. I mean, that's their charging company. They're all about chargers, and I think they do a great job. We'll get into some of their other products because we do have other accessories from Anker that we're just big fans of Anker in this household. We have been since they came out. We bought a power external battery pack way back when they first came out, and we were just super happy with it, and we still use it today. It's amazing, and that was years ago. Yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it. Like there's nothing to install. It's completely plug and play. You just plug this guy in to the wall, plug all your devices in that you want here. You plug in your USB-C cord to your laptop, and that's it. You're good to go. You push the power button, everything's good to go. It's a very convenient, very small, sleek, very stylish little docking station from Anker. All right. Thanks, guys.